Buddy, Billionaire here. Gonna open up the Elite Edition of Diablo 4. This is Lilith, the final boss in Diablo 4. In case you didn't know. Look at that. It's a really nice box. So yeah, let's get her out of the box. Guys, we got Lilith out of the box here. Looks very great. I love the detail. All the joint moves perfectly as I was testing it and installing her wings on. She's quite top heavy with the wings on, as you can see, falling off my desk a couple times here. Attaching the wings. Yeah, the wing gets detached pretty easy too, but looks really great. I love it. Cloth. The cloth is nice. It's not plastic, so you could have a wide range of motion with her. She's barefoot, and then her tail is very flexible. I think it's part of her armor, not part of her body. Her design is really good. And she comes with her father's skull she holds from Diablo 5? No, Diablo 3? I can't remember. Probably Diablo 3. She got a couple faceplate. You got non-smiling face right here. Like, focus. Why can't it focus? Hold on, guys. There we go. Look at that. Looks great. Then you got her other face. I think it's surprise face. Her eyes are open wider on this one. And then you got face with mouth dripping from her blood dripping from her mouth. Yeah, it looks really great. She does come with two hands that's to hold the skull right here. Scratchy hands. I dropped the other one somewhere, but an accessory holding hand. There's two of them and two fisty cup. So yeah, and also rose petal. I guess these are rose petals, so you could scatter around. That's pretty nice. And then you got her trading card. Here's the backstory. Yeah, and also comes with 50 points elite points card. I'm not sure what this is. I'll find out later. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more content, and I'll see you guys next time. That's everything.